Okay. Okay. Listen. Look, a circle. Actually, the human most important in circle. You know that. Okay. Compared to any other invention, it is a circle. You know, before circle, after circle invention only, the wheel started. Right? If it is like this tire wheel, how to travel, man? Understood now? Okay, circle after invention of circle only is a wheel tire and started. It's long, not much old, maybe less than 100 years. Okay, and the time horse only used. Animals only we are, other species only we are using. Still, no need a horse and or a tiger. Sorry, elephant and all. No need now, okay, because equipment is there. Okay, so listen, a circle and a line. Three chances there is. One is there is no touch. Okay. It's actually not circle. It's called tangent. The chapter name is called tangent. Or tangent only. What do you call trigonometry tangent only, sir. But that connection will get after 7 years only. After that, okay. If you study, okay. So then this one, a line passing to the circle. Easy scoring chapter. This is called what you call peak. What do you call peak? This is figure 1, not that. This is 2. This one, third one, a circle and a line touching exactly 1 point, just one. That is called a tang. A circle and a line touching exactly 1 point, that is called a tang. Okay. We don't have compass handle, right? Okay. So make 3 figures. Figure 1. Okay. Okay. Just wait because I know by mistake. Okay, let comments draw this figure. Okay, then right. Figure 1. Okay, figure 1. Circle and line now touch. Okay. Okay. Then figure 2. Right. Figure 2. A line which intersects the circle. A line which intersects a circle. Okay. What do you wrote? A line intersect a circle. A line intersect a circle. A line intersect a circle into distant point. Into distant point. In two distant points. In two distant points is called a secant of the circle. Is called 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 secant of the circle. Okay. Next. A tangent is next. A tangent to a circle. Next line. A tangent to a circle. A tangent to a circle. Next line. A tangent to a circle. A tangent to a circle is a line. What is this question? A tangent to a circle. A tangent to a circle is a line. A tangent to a circle is a line that intersect the circle. That intersect the circle in exactly one point. That intersect the circle in exactly one point. In exactly one point.
Sir, can you repeat from start?
Okay. A tangent to a circle. Listen. A tangent to a circle. A tangent to a circle is a line. A tangent to a circle is a line that intersect the circle in exactly one point. So look at here, just touching only one point. Okay. This chapter, 3 theorems you have to learn. 2 theorems, only statement enough. Third theorem, very important theorem, all with proof. All the questions start, we are using that theorem. Only one theorem. Okay. So right now, theorem number 1. Theorem number 1. Theorem number 1. Okay. Right. A tangent to a circle. 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 A tangent to a circle is. A tangent to a circle is perpendicular to the radius. Is perpendicular to the radius through the point of contact. Through the point of contact. A tangent to a circle. A tangent to a circle is. A tangent to a circle is perpendicular to the radius through the point of contact. Okay, listen now. This point of contact means, listen, don't write now. See here one tangent. Okay. This point is called point of contact. Where the line and the circle touching, that point is called what? Point of contact. Okay. Suppose O here.
Ma, use your own net.
What?
Yeah, I told you.
Okay. Look at here. Here, hey, don't run out. What is this? Is the tangent? Okay. Hey, this is a tangent. X and Y is a tangent. O is the radius. So this will be what? 90 degrees. That is the theorem. Okay, draw figure. A tangent to a circle is perpendicular to the radius to the point of contact. If anyone screw needs, bring it here. Okay. Or screw okay, na? Your common screw, okay, not okay. Screw always loose. Okay, come on, bring it here. This is okay. What is what? Moving completely. Okay. I respect this one because this age is more than my age. Okay. Okay. No need to write. Okay, just one circle enough. Okay, listen. Then write. Draw this one. Then write. OA is the radius. OA is the radius. OA is the radius and X AY is the tangent. X AY is the tangent. X AY is the tangent. Therefore, OA perpendicular to XAY. OA perpendicular to XAY. So that means, look at here. Suppose if I draw a tangent here, this angle will be how much? 90 degrees. Okay. How many tangents we can draw in a circle? Infinite tangents we can make it. How many tangents we can draw in a point? At a point, only one tangent. Suppose you look at here, one point here. We draw like this. Now another point you cross. Tangent means what? Suppose here, this touching exactly one point. Okay, if it is touching more than one point, what do you call secant? Understand? This tangent and trigonometry tangent same only, but we will learn after some years only. Okay, okay, it's connected only. Okay, look, so we can make many tangents. Suppose if I draw a tangent here, then this angle is 90 degrees. That's the theorem. Okay, the convex, there is one theorem. If this angle 9 degree, what do you call this one? Tangent. Simple. Okay, right now, convex. A line drawn. A line drawn. A line drawn. It's a short chapter, 2 classes enough. Then I'll go to the revisions. Okay, again. A line drawn through the. A line drawn. A line drawn through the endpoint of a radius. A line drawn. A line drawn through the endpoint of a radius. Through the endpoint of a radius. A line drawn through the endpoint of a radius. A line drawn through the endpoint of a radius and perpendicular to its tangent and perpendicular to it and perpendicular to it. A line drawn through the endpoint of a radius and perpendicular to it, then it's a tangent. Then perpendicular to it is at and perpendicular to it is a tangent. It is a tangent of a circle. That means what? Okay, you just draw another figure. Same figure you draw. Need to with the compass, no freehand. Okay. I don't want to see anyone drawing with the freehand circle line. Okay. Then your book maybe will reach some other page. Okay. Okay. Right. If angle A 90 degree, don't it draw all figure, first figure only. If angle A 90 degree, if angle A 90 degree, if angle A 90 degree, XAY is a tangent. XAY is the tangent. XAY is the tangent. Okay. So now two theorems, okay now? That means first theorem is what? The tangent and radius is what? Perpendicular. If the point of contact is 90 degree, then it is what? Tangent. Understood now? Radius and the point of contact is perpendicular. If this angle 90 degree, then what is a tangent? Original theorem is what? Original theorem, a radius and tangent is what? Perpendicular. Okay. Now, next theorem, a very important theorem. Okay, you because two theorems only your exams point. Either basic proportionality theorem or this one. Sure chances. Okay. So I'll give the note. Okay. And also this chapter we can guarantee. I can guarantee some question. Okay. This chapter very easy scoring chapter. Okay. Right. Length of two tangents. Put a star mark. Length of two tangents. Length of two tangents. Length of two tangents drawn from an external point. Drawn from an external point. Length of two tangents drawn from an external point. Lengths of two tangents drawn from an external point to a circle are equal. Length of the length of two tangents drawn from an external point to a circle are equal. Don't change the theorem. But the length of two tangents drawn from an external point to a circle are equal. Okay, close the book. I'll don't write anything. Okay. Okay. O one for external point P. P here. A here, B. What do you have to show? Given is what? A circle with center O, radius R. Is given. A circle is given with radius R. Okay. Then P is an external point, right? So two tangents there is here, PA and PB. What do you have to prove? PA equal to PB. Okay. Okay, listen. Look, given is what? A circle with center or radius R. To prove a PA and PB are equal. Listen, man. Okay. That is Chota construction. Join OA and OB and OB. Okay. Can you show these triangles are congruent? Any reason? Can you? OA equal to OB. OA equal to OB. Why? Right. And okay. Any other side or angle equal? What? Which common? OP. OP equal to OP common, right? Okay. You. One more there is. To prove, we need minimum 3, no, right? Okay. You said OA equal to OB, right? Correct. OP equal to OP common. One more there is. 90. Okay, this 90 is 90, right? Angle A equal to angle B 90. Therefore, these triangles are congruent by RHS. Correct or no? Hence, AP equal to A. Finish. Okay, draw it down. I will don't change anything. Okay. Exactly, you're right. Okay. So first draw. Yeah. Okay, right. Given AP and AQ are two tangents. AP and AQ. Oh, sorry. Oh, sorry. PA and PB. PA and PB. PA and PB are two tangents from a point two tangents from a point, two tangents from a point, two tangents from a point P to a circle with center or radius R. Question again. This is given PA and PB are two tangents from a point P to a circle center or radius R. Okay. To the circle center or radius R, how will you write? C O R. Don't you write the word? How to read this one? Circle, circle with center or radius R. Don't need cone. Okay. Circle. Okay. Circle. How to read this one? Next time we can write like this. Circle with center or radius. Okay. Okay. To prove a PA equal to PB. To prove PA equal to PB. To prove PA equal to PB. Okay. Construction. Okay. Join OA, OB. Join OA, OB and OP. Join OA, OB and OP. Okay. Then proof. Right. In triangle OAP, in triangle OAP and OBP. In triangle OAP and OBP. OA equal to OB. Okay. Then OA equal to OB radius, right? Radius, you write radius. Okay. Then angle A equal to angle B 90 degree. Angle A equal to angle B 90 degree. Okay, bracket right. A tangent to your circle is perpendicular to the radius to the point of contact. Theorem number 1. A tangent to a circle is perpendicular to the radius to the point of contact. Okay, OP equal to OP common. OP equal to OP common. OP equal to OP common. Okay. Therefore, triangle OAP congruent to triangle OBP. Yes, OBP. RHS congruence. RHS congruency. Okay. Hence, AP equal to PA equal to PB. Hence, PA equal to P. Okay. CBC. It's clear now? Okay. It will move. Are you okay? You can see there? No problem. Okay. Then okay. Okay. It's clear now? Everyone okay with the theorem? What you have learned? 3 theorems. One is the tangent and radius. Listen. The tangent, the point of contact is how much? 90 degree. If it is there 90 degree, it is a tangent. Third theorem is what? Tangent from an external points are equal. Okay. Write the question. All star question. Okay. Ready now? Star 1. Okay. A circle is touching. It's all guaranteed question. Okay. A circle is touching. A circle is touching the side BC of triangle ABC. The side BC of triangle ABC. A circle is touching the side BC of triangle ABC. A circle is touching the side BC of triangle ABC. A circle is touching the side BC of triangle ABC at P. Is at P. Okay. And touching AB and AC. And touching AB and AC. And touching AB and AC. Produced. Touching AB and AC produced touching AB and AC produced at Q and R respectively. 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 Okay. Prove that AQ equal to, prove that AQ equal to half perimeter of triangle ABC. AQ equal to half perimeter of triangle ABC. Prove that AQ equal to half perimeter of triangle ABC. Okay. Okay, read the question. Okay. Is that here done right now? Okay. A, B, C, L, P. Okay. Then a circle is touching. Listen, a circle is touching the side BC of triangle ABC at P. Then AB and AC extended here. Like here at Q, and this side extended here. What? R. Then what you are shown? We are sure that perimeter of triangle ABC, P of ABC, not right, like full, equal to what? Half of AQ equal to AQ equal to half of perimeter of ABC, right? Question again, look at here. Hello, everyone listen. Oh, this is star question. A circle touching the side BC of triangle ABC at P. Yes, the circle touching at P. Then AB and AC produced, touching the circle again at Q and R. Okay, show that AQ equal to half of perimeter of ABC. So, okay, clear now? Okay, look at here. Okay, perimeter of triangle ABC means what? AB plus, not at P of ABC. AB plus BC plus AC. समझा ना? Right? Okay. AB plus BC we can split what? BP and BP, right? BP plus BC plus BC plus AC, right? Correct or no? Okay. And instead of BP, don't write. I'll ask. Instead of BP, what you can write? U. Instead of BP can change. CP. Oh, why? Hey, that means you don't listen here. You deeply think something. Correct or no? Yes. Hey, no. I am a hypnotist. Okay. Listen. Instead of BP, what is we can replace? I want to replace BP. I don't want BP. I don't like BP. Okay. Yeah. Yes. U. Instead of BP, what you can write? Instead of BP, we can replace it. Chidar. BC, not BC. U. There is one point that instead of BP, we can write same only. Chidar. BQ, why? Because BP and BQ are tangents now. You learn now the tangents from an external points are equal. Any tangents. BP and BQ are tangents. Correct or no? BP and BQ are tangents. So instead of BP, we can write what? Don't make noise, man. Instead of AB plus BQ, right? Plus instead of PC, what you can write? CR. Okay. CR plus AC. Okay, now review. AB plus BQ is what? AB plus BQ. AQ. Why doubt that one? AQ. But loudly. AQ, not AQ. Okay. AQ, right? Okay. Q. Instead of AC and CR. AR. Okay. Okay. So we need AQ, right? You need AQ on. So I wrote here AQ AR equal to what? AR equal to what? AQ. By again same theorem. Everywhere you write, nothing to worry. This will be say correct only. Because one theorem only know. Right? Okay, what? AQ plus AQ equal to 2AQ. Okay. Starting is what? Perimeter of triangle ABC equal to 2AQ. So AQ is what? Half of perimeter of ABC. Clear now? Okay, drop out. Okay, I'll give the note. Okay. Hey, no discussion. Okay. Just drop figure, I'll give the note. What are you doing with the eraser? Draw circle? See, actually, you don't know how to draw circle. That's right. Okay. This, where's the compounds? Look. Look. You have a good. Okay. You just draw one hand in a look. You know, some guys just like a driving turn and face off the accelerator. Okay. No need. Okay. Okay. Just like once my sister went to the dental clinic and he said, I cannot make like this. Then doctor said, why you want to make like? You make like how? Like I'm getting paid. So doctor said, why you want to make like? Okay. Okay. Okay, right now, given, no, right part. Given, you can write now. Write the question, a circle is touching the side BC. Right, given a circle is touching the side. A circle is touching the side BC of triangle ABC at P and touching AB and AC produced at Q and R. Just that question is there now. A circle is touching the side BC of triangle ABC at P and touching AB and AC produced at Q and R respectively. Okay. To prove, what do you have to prove? AQ equal to half of perimeter of ABC. Okay. Then proof. Okay, right. Perimeter of triangle ABC. Perimeter of triangle ABC. Perimeter of triangle ABC equal to AB plus BC plus AC. AB plus BC plus AC. Okay. Next line. AB plus BP plus PC plus AC. Not to my heart, just look at the figure only. Okay. Next line. AB plus BQ plus CR plus AC. Okay. You are right the reason. BP equal to BQ. BP equal to BQ. CP equal to CR. What is this then? Tangent from an external points are equal. Tangent from an external points are equal. Tangent from an external points are equal. from an external point are equal. Okay. Then AB and BQ adding what will get? AQ. AQ plus AR. AQ plus AR. That is AQ plus AQ equal to 2AQ. Bracket write what? AQ equal to AR. AQ equal to AR. Shall we write all the reason? Okay. AQ equal to AR. Because if you write not writing any reason, they cut mark. AQ equal to AR. Tangent from an external points are equal. So AQ equal to half of perimeter of ABC. AQ equal to half of perimeter of ABC. Okay. So okay. Okay. What do I think? Right, no? Yes. Okay. So next, clear all? Is it okay? Eh? Okay. Right. Uh, okay. A circle touches all the sides of a quadrilateral. A circle touches all the sides of a quadrilateral. A circle touches all the sides of a quadrilateral. A circle touches all the sides of a quadrilateral. ABCD. ABCD at ABCD. Okay, ABCD. Okay, prove that AB plus CD equal to AD plus BC. Okay. And read the question. Go.
Prove that AB plus CD is equal to AD plus BC.
Okay. Okay. Don't write everything on. Okay. Control here. Okay. Look. Don't open it. Okay. Listen. A circle touches the sides of the quadrilateral. Here P, Q, R, S. What do you show? AB plus CD equal to AD plus BC. Okay. Okay, now listen. We can write all together reason. AP equal to what?
Yes.
Okay. Then BP equal to what? BQ. So I even don't write BQ equal to BP because if when we add, we won't get that. Okay. To fill that AP and BP. Okay. BP equal to BQ. Okay. Then DR equal to what? D. CR equal to what? You understand why I'm not writing first CQ? So the side. Okay. Add this all reason what? One reason. Tangent from an external point. Add over. What do you get? You. Huh? You add this all. What do you get? You adding this one. What means what? All the sides adding what? What do you get? Huh? You're not listening here. Huh? Not quadrilateral. This AP equal to AS. Number one. BP equal to BQ. DR equal to DS. CR equal to C. Adding 1, 2, 3, 4. What? Huh? Okay. AP. That's what I ask you. AP plus BP plus DR plus CR equal to what? AS plus BQ plus DS plus CQ, right? Okay. Then AP and BP what? AP and BP adding what you get?
AB.
AB. Okay. Then DR and CR. Yeah? CD. We want no? Okay. Then AD. AS and DS. What? AD. Correct or no? And BQ plus EQ. Finish. Correct or no? Finish. Right? Okay. You can write yourself, right? Yeah. Okay. Next. Finish or? Right. If all the sides of a parallelogram, 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 if all the sides of a parallelogram touch a circle, if all the sides of a parallelogram touch a circle, show that parallelogram is a rhombus. If all the sides of a parallelogram, if all the sides of a parallelogram touch a circle, if all the sides of a parallelogram touch a circle, show that parallelogram is a rhombus. Okay, try now. If all the sides of a parallelogram touch a circle, show that parallelogram is a rhombus. Okay. You can try this question, okay?
if all sides of a parallelogram touch equal to prove that.
Prove that parallelogram is rhombus. Parallelogram is a rhombus. Okay.
What are you doing?
You got or no? Okay, finish. Okay, anybody got? Hello. Finish. You try yourself. Why you checking this one? Okay.
Take this.
Okay, look at here. Hello. Finish. Online guys, anybody got? Santosh. I don't know. Okay. Mahadi. Santosh, anybody got or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay, look at here. You all got here. No one got. Okay, how you did? You got? Okay, how you did?
First, I put that AB is equal to AS.
Okay, listen here. Hello. Listen, when a parallelogram become a rhombus, in parallelogram and rhombus difference is what? All sides are equal. Right? In a parallelogram, adjacent sides are equal to what? Rhombus. Adjacent sides are equal means all sides are equal. Rhombus means all the sides are equal. So when a parallelogram become a rhombus means what? Adjacent sides are equal. Correct? Okay. Already this question answer already here. This is the same. You reach here now. Right? Okay. Now in parallelogram, opposites are equal. So instead of AB plus AB, I am writing, right? Equal to AD plus AD. Right? Okay. 2AB equal to 2AD. That is common sense enough. To cancel. AB equal to AD. Therefore, it is what a parallel. It is a rhombus. Okay. You write up to your copy again. Copying, I know you are expert. Okay. This one, copy. Then write in parallelogram, opposite that. Okay, that I'll give you. Okay. Right. You did like that? Okay. So write up to just cut and paste. AB plus CD equal to AD plus BC. Eh? AB plus PD.
AB plus P is equal to DS plus.
So only here, I think, this it should reach here. No. You write up to here. Okay. Right. AB plus C, right up to that. AB, the previous question, copy it. Okay. AB plus CD equal to AD plus BC. Okay. Up to that. Okay. Okay. I'll give time. Okay. You got? Okay. Then write here. After not reach. Okay. Then write in parallelogram, opposites are equal. In parallelogram, opposite sides are equal. So AB plus AB plus AD plus AD. AD plus AD. Okay. Hence, 2AB equal to 2AD. 2 cancels. Okay. Then in a parallelogram, if the adjacent sides are equal, it is a rhombus. In a parallelogram, adjacent sides are equal, it is a rhombus. In a parallelogram, adjacent sides are equal, it is a rhombus. In a parallelogram, adjacent sides are equal, it is a rhombus. Okay. Next question. Clear now? Okay. All star question. Okay. How many questions are there? One theorem plus 3 questions. Right. ABCDs are quadrilateral. Next one. ABCDs are quadrilateral. ABCD is a quadrilateral. ABCD is a quadrilateral such that angle D 90 degree. Angle D 90 degree. Angle D 90 degree. Okay. A circle with center or radius R. A circle. Yes, you can write like this as C O R. A circle with center or radius R touches the sides AB, touches the side AB, touches the side AB, BC, CD, BC, CD. It touches the sides AB, BC, CD, and AD at PQRS respectively. At PQRS respectively. At PQRS respectively. Okay. If BC 38 centimeter, if BC 38 centimeter, BC 38 centimeter, CD 25 centimeter, CD 25 centimeter, BP 27 centimeter. BP 27 centimeter. Find the radius. Find the radius. Okay. Question clear? You read the question loudly.
What that is.
No, wait. I'll give the figure. Okay. ABC is a quadrilateral such that angle D 90 degree. A circle center of radius R touches the sides AB, BC, CD, DA at PQR respectively. BC 38 centimeter, CD 25, BP 27. Find the radius. Okay. I'll give the figure. Then you can try. Okay. D 90 degree, right?
Yes.
Okay. That's on you. A, B, C, D. So this angle 90 degree. Then we have to find out what radius you have to find out. Okay. Can you try? Here the center. Okay. New class in of this chapter. Okay. So after that, I'll go back to again revisions and those who missed quadratic questions and all. Okay. Are you getting? Low. How much radius? Low, you got? You can draw some construction. There is no issues. Okay. I just give you a time to check whether we can do it. Okay. Construction you can. Okay. Hey, not in discussions. You try with that. And your school which happened now? You live here now? Everybody got? Okay, I'll start. Okay, look at here. So, okay, not getting. So we can, hello, look at here. Which is have you got? Okay, listen now. I joined this one. Not right now. Hey, stop. I joined this one. I joined this one. Okay. This angle how much? Suppose this angle how much? I can be A, B, C, D, E, F. You know the reason? E 90, this 90. What is the reason? Radius through the point of contact is perpendicular. You should write that. Angle E equal to angle F 90. Reason what? Radius to the point of contact. Why? This is the tangent, this is the radius. Okay, now? Okay. This angle 90. Why? Given. So this is 90. Why? Angle some property of a quadrilateral. Don't write, man. What draw this one? Okay, now look at here. So that means it's a square, right? Or a rectangle, whatever it is. Square only. Okay, so this side equal. So this radius is R, right? This also R, right? Okay, now? Okay, now we've got to finish. This is, it doesn't say anything about P, okay, P, Q, R, S, that's given. Okay, no problem. It's not given, no problem. Okay. BP, how much? BP, 27. Okay, BP 27 is given, right? Okay, this 27 equals something somewhere here. BQ. BQ also 27, right? Okay, BC how much? BC how much given on the question? How much? 30. Who said 11? Okay. How much? 30. This length, this full length is 30. How much this one? 11. This 11 equals something else. Asking. 11. Okay. DC how much? 25. So DR how much? 14. Finish. Finish now. Right? 14 is the radius. Right? Are you okay? Hello? Yes or no? You? Sure? Okay. You? Okay, then copy this. But right now it's all reason. Okay. Don't just write the answer. Okay. You write angle S equal to angle R 90 degree, radius the point of contact. Angle D 90 degree given. Therefore, angle SOR 90, angle some property of a quadrilateral. Hence, OSDR is a square. Adjust sides are equal. Therefore, OS equal to DR equal to R. Like that, right? Then start. Okay, Pradhiga, right? Angle S equal to angle S equal to angle R equal to 90 degree. Angle S equal to angle R equal to 90 degree. Bracket, right? Radius through the point of contact. Radius through the point of contact. Okay. Angle D 90 degree given. Angle D 90 degree given. Therefore, angle SOR 90 degree. Angle SOR 90 degree. Bracket. Angle some property of a quadrilateral. Angle some property of a quadrilateral. So 3 angle 90, automatically third angle 90. Okay. Then BP equal to CQ 27. BP equal to BQ equal to 27. Tangent from an external points are equal. Tangents from an external points are equal. Okay. BC 38 given. BC 38 centimeter given. Therefore, CQ equal to 11. Correct or no? CQ equal to 11. But CQ equal to DR equal to 11. CQ equal to DR equal to 11. Tangent from an external points are equal, right? That's the reason. TD 25. TD 25. Therefore, DR equal to how much? 14. dr equal to 14, hence radius is 14. Pratika, clear now?
Yes, sir.
How it is now ready?
ABC is a quadrilateral
Oh,
and angle is 90 degrees.
okay.
Now, in a quadrant, opposite angles are equal.
Who's that? Parallelogram would be. Okay. The novels are here because we want landscape here. Okay, that's in only parallelogram. Look, this angle and this angle equal. No. Okay, that's only in parallelogram. Okay. Okay, next. In figure, AB equal to AC. In figure, AB equal to AC. In figure, AB equal to AC. Prove that BE equal to EC. Prove that BE equal to EC. Okay. In figure, AB equal to AC and prove that BE equal to EC. Okay. Okay. ये क्लास में चाहते हैं AP जाके I will do AP also after this one. At same time revision also. Okay. Oh, are you getting? Okay, listen. Okay. Only use only one theorem. Which one? Tangent from an external point for equal. Simple. Finish. Got?
Yes.
Okay. We are finished. You got? Eh? How do you do? Okay. Explain. Eh? What? Given forget about proof in a file. Okay, AF equal to AD. FC equal to C. Okay. 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 Eh?
AD plus EB
Okay.
AD
Okay. Then we got DF equal to FC. Okay. But VD equal to BE, right? And CF equal to C. Correct. She said correct. Okay. Good. Okay. That means that we learn the theorem. We can do it. That's all, guys. Simply watching on. Look at here. You got? Okay. Look at here now. AB equal to AC. Number one. Given. Right? What is the reason? Given. So it will change. Okay. It's correct now, sir. AD. Not need to change your method. AF. Fine. AF equal to AD equal to AF. Fine. Tangent from an external point. 1 minus 2. You added that's all. Okay. What do you get? AB minus AD equal to AC minus AF. AB minus AD is what? Look at the figure. BD. I don't know. What? AB. Look. A to B minus AD gone. What? BD equal to here what? CF. Number 3. But BD equal to what? BE. Number 4. If you write the reason, CF equal to what? EC. Number 5. So that means 3, 4, 5. What do you get? BE equal to AC. We're all got. Okay, right now. Okay, those not getting copy like this. Okay, but write the reason where about it. Okay. Hmm. Hey, hello. Hello, what do you want? I'll take your book, then you have to sit without. What's wrong there? What is it? No. Not finish. No. Spit up. Finish. Finish all, no?
Yes.
You. Okay. Right. Shorter question. A point P. Very simple question. I don't like shorter questions. Sorry. A point P is 13 centimeter. Yes. Actually, supposed to do first question is there. A point P is 13 centimeter from the center of the circle. A point P is 13 centimeter from the center of the circle. 1, 3. You're any problem? Okay. A point P is 13 centimeter from the center of the circle. 30 centimeter from the center of the circle. Okay. The length of the tangent drawn from P to the circle is 12 centimeter. The length of the tangent drawn from P to the circle is 12 centimeter. Find the radius of the circle. Draw figure and show. Okay. Find the radius of the circle.
Sir, can you repeat?
A point P. Listen. A point P is 13 centimeter from the center of the circle. A point P is 13 centimeter from the center of the circle. The length of the tangent drawn from P to the circle is 12 centimeter. Find the radius. Okay. Can you finish?
Yeah.
Much. Right. You got? Okay. Everybody got, right? Okay. And did you get? Yeah? Okay. No, finish. And you got? You got? The big, come on. This one, P, O, 30. This one, 12, right? This angle 90. So you have to find this one. 13 square minus 12 square. Right? Is it like that only now? Okay. Next. Why are you looking at this man? Don't look like this. We are naked before nature. So, this before Darwin, Lamarck said like that. Lamarck theorem is there. You studied in yeah, before Darwin. Okay. Lamarck's assumption was at that time science said like that only. The giraffe always for food they look at their neck. Like that only giraffe neck will become long. Okay. But Darwin said no. Darwin proved okay.
No way.
Darwin proved not like that. It is species, different types of species. Okay, like human.
That's why you are, that's it. That's evolution, like,
Yeah.
after knowledge, because you need food that's in a higher level.
Some areas in some countries, the people are very short. Okay, some areas very high because of the environment, like Chinese, Mongolian area. Okay, the short ice very short.
Dusty.
Dusty and the sunlight. Okay, and people, how people become dark, how become white. It's all scientifically proved, right? I think that guy only got a Nobel Prize last year, genetically. Okay.
Kante Pabu.
Yeah, his father also got.
Yeah.
Like that, no?
Yeah.
His father also got.
Don't laugh it off.
Yeah. This is the theorem. But his father proved this, what I said now. His son also got Nobel Prize. Okay. Father proved it this much. Before father proved this part, we thought people are different, continental, different types of human. But he proved, genetically, he proved all Homo sapiens originated from Africa, Morocco. Actually, Morocco. I wish to go that place, okay, where it's originated. But 10 hours journey. Okay, from here. Okay. So, listen. Then Morocco exactly place. Okay. Then that area, this near, I think equatorial line. Okay. Sun is very close. So direct light heat. So the all species will die. So avoid they cannot survive now. The body himself or produce the what do you call it? Melanin. So that become dark to protect the body. It will become cancerous, cancer and die. So that is human no. But for all move to north like Europe and very cold. They want more melanin. Sorry, they want more sunlight. So the melanin less. Understood now? So that's why they're white. This is the reason. Genetically, all human genetically anatomy is all same. Whether Africa or in Europe or in China or same only. This is only, hey, that guy father proved.
Yeah.
He proved the same type only. Okay.
But then there's another theory which says that genetically humans are different, like race wise. It's because of the different types of humans, like there's Neanderthal.
No, really. I tell you. Okay. That, okay, this is the Homo sapiens all same.
Yeah.
Neanderthal, previous one.
Yeah.
Okay, 30 years back, 30,000 years back, both are here.
Yeah.
Both are here. Okay. Like different types of cats like that, different types of humans in the earth. Okay. But especially in Eurasia area. Okay. But they had, the problem is they extinct because they had less immunity power. Okay. Right. So But some mixing is there. Homo sapiens and Neanderthal mixing on. Still, maybe our DNA check maybe like that you can find out. That people only recently, last COVID, all got COVID. The science inquired about it. What is the reason for very fast they got COVID and died or got severely got COVID and all. Their DNA is mixing is there. Okay. One more, that not only a Neanderthal, Denisovan,
Yeah.
then one more there is.
This guy, Svante Babu, he discovered a new.
Yeah, one more there is. Okay.
One short very good.
Yeah, then server and I forgot.
Very
So my subject only actually. Okay. Okay. One more guy. Okay.
No, lots were there. There were what 7 to 8.
No, our human very close around 2 lakhs.
Yeah, it's because like our humans knew how to form a community, like a society. The others didn't know.
No.
Because
Community recently around
yeah, because
12,000 years back. Okay. Community and all 12,000 years only when agriculture started. Agriculture very accidental. Very, are you interested now or we can start? Okay. Very, Mr. Relax. Okay. Very accidentally only we started agriculture because we eat the seeds and all throw. Then it is gradually grown. Then only it's around 12,000 years back only. 12,000 years back, we lived just like other species, like cow, cat, and dogs in jungle searching for food and
hunting.
hunting. Actually, humans are hunting animal. So non-vegetarian only, non-vegetarian only. Hunting is what plants to for what hunting. Right. Right. Human actually, hey, don't need to plant, don't need to hunt them. Okay, so human naturally non-vegetarian only. Okay, and this because that wheat and all recently only okay.
Yeah, exactly.
That time there's no religion actually. There's no God also. Maybe there is a God.
God, but religion is
Different types of God. Maybe sun or tree, natural. Then maybe sometimes they will ask you who created this. Then somebody guy created and all like that. Like that only happens.
that's what formed communities. That's why the other people in the town they didn't survive. Because when Homo sapiens, even though Homo sapiens were comparatively much smaller than Neanderthals, they were much less stronger. They were smarter. So
Yeah, because that is another reason. No, when we started eating the cook, okay, our brain suddenly improved. Before we eat the flesh only, just like other lion and all. Just like actually we are very poor people, creature.
Yeah.
We can't hunting much.
So like even
Other animals eat the balance, no, we eat.
even genetically speaking, human babies are the most immature babies.
It's
Because, yeah, because boy, other like cow, elephant,
Yeah,
as soon as they're born, they can walk.
they can walk and drink milk,
We can't.
right? Even here, human maybe, maybe only at least 5 year parents
Has to be there.
help is required. Okay. Okay, come on. So I hope I think human is I think nearly very close, maybe will extinct. Okay. No. Why I'm telling you? So, that much human being is around 850 crore people. Just exactly 100 years back, 100 years back, which year? 1924. 1924 only 20 crores, sorry, 200 crores people only. 200 crores people only that time. Now what? 850 crores. Okay, within 100 years. Maybe our grandfather time. Our grandfather time only 200 crores people only. That time there was a like COVID, Spanish flu. Yeah. Which one?
There's so many. There's a limited. There's only one Earth.
There is some automatically maybe some some planets hit on Earth like that, like dinosaurs all extinct like that. All animals will extinct. And also, hey, wait. Oh, one more point I'll tell you. Okay. It's okay. In Earth, and I think solar system, our system, everything in particular what you call period is there is. like 24 hours day changes, like that. Okay. As per the history, every 3 lakhs years, there is the ice form. Complete ice age. Everything. Now very close to that time. Okay.
Global warming.
Now, due to global warming, it is more extended. Okay. But due to that ice age only, common people's their sorrows, their try all we are enjoying now. Why the oil and all. Okay, oil, all there in the earth that mix like that. Okay, next time another story. Okay, come on. Because it's my favorite subject. Okay, I still learning. Okay, you are good man. Okay,
I will
yeah,
I read a book on it.
yeah. Okay.
Sapiens by Yuval Noah Harari. Very
Ah.
good book.
I know this much more.
They have like different reason there, which is like there's a specific type of sapiens. Like when Homo sapiens, only one sapiens.
Last okay. His name Harari, right?
Yuval Noah Harari.
It's an Israeli scientist. Okay. His many books there is.
He studied with this, no, not studied, he researched with this Svante Pavo.
He's still working with Israel University. Harari something.
Yuval Noah.
Okay, come on. The question. Two circles touch. Two circles touch. Here, that book is not really explain how the forming the group and all tribes.
Where you got from eBay?
Eh?
Where you got from?
Where did you
got from?
Where did you?
It's available everywhere here. Two circles touch each other. Two circles touch each other at the point C. Why we reach this point? Okay. 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 Now I have enough data about this subject. Okay, so two circles touch each other. Two circles touch each other at the point C. At the point C. Two circles touch each other at the point C. Okay. Prove that the common tangent to circles. Prove that the common tangent to circle. Prove that the common tangent to the circle at C. Prove that the common tangent to the circle at C. Bisect the common tangent. Bisect the common tangent. Bisect the common tangent at P and Q. Listen. Two circles touch each other at the point C. Prove that the common tangent to the circle at C bisect the common tangent at P and Q. Okay. Okay. Okay, now here Q. Okay. Try this one. Tangent at CE. That's good. We know this all true. People won't fight for the based on religion or country based on
The like problem is like this whole theory interbreeding of words sapiens. You can't publicize it because that's going to cause even more racial discrimination and all that. Because that's when people are going to start calling each other by their different, rather than raising the two different types of humans. So they can't publicize it. They publicize it full social division, society full fall.
Okay, next time. Everybody got? Hello, speed up. Come on. I have a program today. Everybody got? You got? You got? Oh, really? But tell me, what is your name? Eh? 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 Vanshika. Okay, tell me. Vanshika is explaining. Okay. Now, to prove PR equal to RP. Okay, then RP equal to RC. Correct or no? Hey, look at here. It's really correct. RP equal to RC. Tangent from external points are equal. Then RQ equal to RC. Tangent from external points are equal. Therefore, RP equal to RQ. So R is the midpoint. Finish. Good. Okay. Okay. Close the pen. Okay. Okay. So next class, this all you have to learn. Plus quadratic equations. Read a question. Only read a question. So next class we will finish this chapter. Difficult questions. Okay.